Janie from Sunday here. Today I'm going to show you how to plant a tree. First, you'll want to figure out the best place to plant your tree. There are a few things to consider. For example, how big is your tree going to get? How much sun does it need? As it grows, will it run into power lines? Will it take nutrients away from nearby plants? Will it grow so big it blots out the sun? Just kidding about that last part, but keep the rest in mind as you pick out your planting spot. Also, if you aren't sure where to get this info, that's okay. Lots of trees come with plant tags with info like spacing and sun requirements. If you bought your tree from Sunday, you're in luck. This info is available on our website. Just type your tree name into the search bar. A couple of days before you plan to dig, call 811 to map your buried utility lines. Hitting one would be dangerous and expensive to fix. Once 811 has cleared you, dig a hole 2 to 3 times wider than the root ball. Well, that was easy. You want to dig a hole just deep enough for the topmost roots to sit level with the surface. Check in and around the planting spot and get rid of any rocks and debris you see. Once you're done with that, you want to loosen the soil alongside the edges of your hole. But don't touch the bottom. You don't want your tree to sink after you planted it. Now for the fun part. Let's plant this bad boy. First, you'll want to remove the tree from its pot. You may need some help to do this, depending on the size. Once it's out, gently separate the roots like this. Then, you can place the tree right in the hole. Make sure the trunk is straight. We don't want it to lean. Aesthetics aside, it's important for your tree's health that it grows straight up. Now, we want to make sure those topmost roots are level with the surface. Once it looks good, you can fill in the hole with soil. Then you'll want to gently water the area to help the soil settle. This also helps make sure the tree is secure in its new spot. That looks great. Now it seems like we're done, but we're not. Improper watering is one of the main reasons new trees fail. It's really important for your tree to get enough water in the beginning, but you can have too much of a good thing. You don't want to under or overwater your new tree, so plan on watering every 2 to 3 days for the next 12 weeks. Or just let a tree diver do the work for you. After that, you can cut back to weekly watering throughout the growing season. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your tree for years to come. If you need any help along the way, you can visit the shed anytime.